Hi, I'm Swati from PharmaState Academy, and we have with us Mr. Vivek Hattangadi. PharmaState Academy is organizing an e-colloquium on World Pharma Brand Managers Day on 3rd January 2021. Welcome, Vivek, sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
So, sir, I will be asking a few questions related to this event. Why have you chosen 3rd January to commemorate the World Pharma Brand Managers Day?
That's a most important question. The father of brand management in India, Professor Chittamitra, he passed away on 3rd January, 3rd January 2012. To perpetuate his memory and also of Professor Tarun Gupta, we have identified that 3rd January would be the best and the most suitable day for commemorating World Pharma Brand Managers Day. So, this is a tribute to the father of brand management in India, Professor Chittamitra and Professor Tarun Gupta.
Okay, sir. So this year we are organizing this event on 2 days. This is an online event. And sir, uh, can you tell us about the history of this event?
World Pharma Brand Managers Day has been a non commercial event and mostly held in educational institutions. In the past, it was held in SI's College of Management under the guidance of Professor Sunil Deshpande, and last year it was held in Ahmedabad at Ahmedabad Management Association Hall, which is in the premises of IIM Ahmedabad. In the first Brand Managers Day, we had a conclave of CEOs. In the CEOs of close to 27 companies, they participated. And in this conclave, we discussed on good marketing practices, how to put an end to transactional marketing and transit to good marketing practices. And that was also the year when UCAPMP was first laid down, and that was the hot topic during that time. Then we had in SOS College and last year in AMA, and that was again a very eventful uh, event, which was on design thinking. And we had invited an expert on design thinking to do the event, Mr. Pranav Kumar. Mr. Pranav Kumar is a master in design thinking, and although the event was for only 50 people, the hall was overflowing, and some of the participants they had to actually stand and listen to Mr. Pranav Kumar. So fortunately, this year people won't have to stand because it's going to be an online event.
So Vivek, sir, this year we are organizing the event on 2 days. That is a different track we have taken this year. So please tell us about the first day or the pre-brand managers day.
This time, looking into the forward trend, we are doing it online because in the coming years, most of these kind of events will be online where people will be interacting with the speakers from all over the world on a single platform. Today, for example, in this event, you'll have a lot of people from Bangladesh. Otherwise, they would not have been able to come to India. Maybe next time we can have speakers from Bangladesh who will be speaking, and people from India can hear them. So, this is the reason this event is going to be different. And to take advantage of this time we are also inviting the budding pharma brand managers, that is the students from Pharma Management Colleges in Delhi, Mumbai, Jaipur, Manipal, and so on. They would be all participating in the first day event. And the main event will be conducted by the teachers of Pharma brand management schools. And then there is going to be an interview with a few select students.
Okay, sir. We are all looking forward to hearing the budding and upcoming talent in this field.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Yes, sir.
Because that is what PharmaState Academy has to do. You have to nurture the latent talent of people who are still in the colleges.
Uh, Sir, what are the plans for the 3rd January event, the World Pharma Brand Managers Day this year?
What I have in mind is brand planning to the end, that is strategy execution. The entire proceedings are divided or organized into two parts. In the first part, we'll have expert speakers, people who have been commercial directors in multinationals. They would be talking about brand building and the various things which go into brand planning. The first two or three speakers will speak on that. And then in the latter part, how the strategies, how the brilliant strategies were executed. There will be six speakers who will be talking about six mega brands which were introduced right from the 50s to the 21st century, right from Bucosials to Genevia, Genumet. How these brands became successful, and they became successful only because the brilliant strategies which are conceived by the planning team, the brand, the strategies of the brand management team, how they were put into action. There will be six speakers who will be talking about that. So it's a sort of complete, right from the day a brand is conceived to the day it is launched and the strategy is executed. So this is basically going to be a learning program for all the brand managers. It's going to be a sort of educational program where they learn about theory, they also learn about practicality, how the strategies were executed. And therefore, this program is open to everyone in the pharmaceutical industry.
So, how are we going to conclude this program on 3rd January?
The program conclusion would be by seeing some videos of doctors who have been exposed to these brands. What do the doctors feel about the brands? Because after all, what is brand? It's in the mind of the customers. And these doctors will tell us about what they feel about these products and what do they have in mind. So the brand managers will be exposed. What is going on in the doctor's mind when he listens to the promotional material? And they will hear it straight from the horse's mouth. And finally, after this, the results of the Golden Brand Plan contest will be announced. And finally, let me invite all once again to join this educational learning program for brand managers on World Pharma Brand Managers Day 2021.
For the listeners and viewers of this video, kindly join us on 2nd January and 3rd January 2021 in this online mega event. You can join us by registering through the registration form, which is mentioned in the description. Thank you.